Hello everybody, today in this video I'll show you how to add location to your stories or snaps in Snapchat's new update, so let's jump right into it. First, make sure you have your location services turned on, and then go to your Snapchat app settings, and then from there go to your app permissions and make sure that the app has permission to access your location, just like that. After that, go ahead and open the Snapchat application, take a snap. Oh yeah, just right before the yawn, perfect timing. Anyways, after you take the snap, tap right here, and then you'll find this location option or icon. Tap on it, tap on your location, and it will be added to your snap, just like that. You can tap on it to change the color or zoom it in or out. Now if you don't have that option, just swipe down from the filters right here and you will reach the location filter, just like that. And you can take the snap and post it by tapping here, and that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.